Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are very good. So guys, today in this video I am going to tell you how to make WhatsApp status with your own photos. So guys, today in this video I will tell you one app. So guys, this app is very interesting and very useful for you. So with this app you can make a really great WhatsApp status. So guys, let's see which app is it. So make sure you watch this video till end. So guys, I'm Shafi. You're watching Shafi Technique channel. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. So guys, first of all let me tell some details about this app. So guys, this is not a sponsored video, so this is my own video. So guys, this app is very useful for you to make WhatsApp status. So guys, there are many type of videos that you can create on your own, and all the videos are totally free, and also you can get a free music. So guys, you can get a video and also with a music. So guys, you can use this app for WhatsApp status and also for Instagram and also for TikTok. So I recommended you to use this app. And also let me tell you finally, this is not a sponsored video. So guys, so please make sure you watch this video till end. So guys, the name of the app is MV Master. So guys, so this is a really best app. So here, after opening the app, this is how we get the interface. So guys, just let me give some type of interface and let's go to the video editing. So guys, so here as you can see, here you can see many type of a video template. So here you can see many type of video template. So here I selected one video template, and after that I will select my photos. So now here I selected my 3 photos. So here I have only one type of photo, so I don't have SD card, so that's why I selected only one photo. So after that, as you can see, so here already I got one status. So already I got one video. So as you can see, it's type of a flavor, so it's looking nice. So now let me tell about the details, about the options. So here you can add your own text. So if you want to type anything, then you can add your own text. So and also you can add some beats. So as you can see, so you can also add some beats. So guys, let me show what are these beats. So as you can see here, like that you can add some type of stickers. So you will get even the music animation. So it will look very cool. So here this is one type. So now not only this, there are many type of these stickers. So here now I will select another type of video template, and then I will make another video. So still let me give some information so that you will understand it good. So here I am selecting this one. So as you can see here, you can also see. So I'm just muting the song. So guys, you will get song and also you will get this type of lyrics. So it's really great. So as you can see, so here you will. So let's see video here for some time. So this is how you get the video. So now let me select now another video. So here this is the final video, and I will show you how to save this video. So first of all, if your video is okay, means if you like the video, then just as you can see, one export button. So as you can see here, one export button. So just tap on this export button and select high quality, and after that tap on OK. So guys, after tapping on the OK, your video will be totally exported with highest quality. So see the video. So finalize your video, and after that if you want you can save and you can publish in this app, or else you can save to local, means you can save to your internal. So now here I am selecting WhatsApp, so I want to keep as a WhatsApp status. So here I will select my WhatsApp, and as you can see the WhatsApp status. So guys, as you can see here, it's looking really great. So totally a high quality video. So now as you can see, made by MV Master. So you can remove these. So just remove this. So let me remove this one. So here, so let me remove this, even on this one. So if you want you can keep it. So I think many members won't like to keep it. So remove and keep your own caption, and after that just send the video. So overall what I want to tell you is this is my own video, and also this is a really best app for you to make WhatsApp status. So guys, so finally my work is completed. Now your work is to like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to my channel. And if you have any type of doubts, then comment me in the comment below. And thanks for watching. I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, Jai Hind.